Now I would like to call Vrinda sir. So please come on the stage, and he is going to speak about money. That money is important or not in our life. So sir, please come on the stage and speak.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Vrinda Khani and I live in Gosti. I am a student of Global Spoken English. Today my topic is importance of money. Money is something we can do anything. If we don't have money, money is something we can do anything. If we don't have money, we cannot do anything. If we have money, we can buy the car. Money is something we can do anything. If we don't have money, we cannot do anything. If we have money, we can buy the car, we can buy the mobile, and we can make the house. With money, we can earn money by opening a good shop. And if we have money, then no one is going to ask us. If you don't have money, then no one is going to ask us. We should not wrong use money. If we will wrong use money, we can go catch and we can give punishment. That's why we should not wrong use money. And with money, we can help poor people. And if we don't have food to eat, we can buy the food with money and eat it. And if we are stuck in some country, are not able to live, then if we have money, then we can come your home. And our father earn money working very hard. That's why we should use money wisely. And money is the best power in the world. That's why we should respect money. Now I want to finish my speech. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Well, I am Gulam Jilani and I am from Kota, Jharkhand. Nowadays I am living in Gosi and I am a student of Global Spoken English. Before sometimes students was telling about his thought and sharing. And before 1 minute, Vrinda sir was telling about money, that money is very important for our life. If we don't have money, we can't do anything in our life. He kept his thought very good.
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता।